Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can send a fake current and live location on WhatsApp. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's start. For that, simply go ahead and open up your WhatsApp app. Tap on the chat where you would like to send the location. Tap on the plus icon right over here. Tap on location, and first thing is you can see the share live location right over here, which when you do, it will send you your current location for the time being that you would like to choose, right? Another option what you can do is you can be in your live location, but you can choose to search a different location. So for example, you can search a different location. So for example, I have searched this location previously, so I'm just going to go ahead, choose this one, and I'm just going to send it. Now that will be sent over there, and when you go tap on this plus icon, you can tap on location and you can send your live location by tapping on the share live location likewise. And that's all you need to do. You just need to make sure that you send it to different location like that. Your live location will show live until, and then your sent location, the other one will not show that. So that way also your person can identify whether you're sending the live location or not. But that's it. Hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.